Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! So guys, it's been a while, and as a token of my apology, I intend to post two videos today. But this one is really a short one, just a quick update on my yummy extension, raw Cambodian Wavy Elegance. Thank you so much for everyone who has watched the videos, provided comments, suggestions on how I should take care of the hair. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick update. This video was shot a long time ago, to be honest, but I didn't get a chance to post it. So I just wanted to make sure I come back and let you guys know how I am doing with this hair. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you go back and watch the video, and then you can follow up with this one as to what I've been doing now and what works on this hair. So with that being said, enjoy this video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just wanted to show you guys how this hair is doing. I know I had a video previously kind of talking about all my struggles with my yummy hair, Wavy Elegance, and I know I'm not taking back anything I said in that video. I think this hair is still a very challenging hair to take care of. Well, it could be challenging, especially if you don't already have it figured out, to be honest. However, I feel like I found a way to work with the hair, and I really like the hair now. Even though I don't know, I'm gonna have to, think about it if I want to get raw hair again. But I found a way to make this hair work for me, and I feel like I'm actually gonna enjoy wearing the hair now. So I wanted to just give you guys a quick tip if you already have this hair, or if you're thinking about purchasing it and having it. So my biggest problem with this hair was how frizzy it would get a few hours after deep conditioning or after co-washing, and the fact that it would get all matted up. And I didn't like that at all, because I felt like I'm gonna look like a crazy person every time I wear this hair out. However, I found a way to make this hair look a lot better, as you can see, and not so frizzy. And I think when it gets really frizzy, like when it's really bad, is when you're trying to wear the hair out in its natural state. I don't think if you were to put curls on the hair or something, I don't think it will be that bad. Anyway, so what I do for this hair now is, when after I finish deep conditioning the hair or co-washing the hair, I go in with some mousse while it's still wet, and then I put mousse all over the hair, and I use the Suave mousse. So I put it all over the hair, and then I let it, I scrunch the curls and I let it air dry. But I try to separate the hair a little bit, because mousse can dry hard, and I don't want it to be like clumped together. I still want it to look flowy and airy. So I try to separate the curls and separate the strands as much as possible without it being messy, and let it air dry, because after drying you can separate it a little more. And then when it air dries, of course, it has those curls or those waves, the tight waves, still intact. It's not too frizzy. The hair is holding up, and it's really flowing. This is actually the third day I'm wearing this hair since I moussed it about 3 days ago, and I haven't had a need to. It's like it's still very flowy, but I can tell that the mousse is still in there. And I feel like maybe if I should probably just spray some more water in it, it could maybe reactivate the mousse. If not, I could just put in some more. But it's a lot better, as you can see. It's a lot better. It's not crunchy, it's flowy, it's not stiff, and at the same time it's not frizzy. And that's much better. And yes, it's not matting either. So I think that works. I really think it works. So I'm happy that I've been able to find a way to work with this hair. Just wanted to let you guys know, if anyone is dealing with this kind of issues with their raw hair, maybe this is something you can try that's gonna help you. But besides that, look guys, I love this hair. It's just a beautiful hair. It's beautiful. The style is easy. Not the hair. The hair itself is not easy, but the style, it's like an easy wave. And yeah, it's a beautiful style. I don't want to completely discourage anyone from getting it. Like, you just have to figure out the best way to get the hair to look its best. All right, that's all I have to say, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update before I run along. Bye.